Here's how to fix if the camera is not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're opening up the camera either in the app or just the normal camera app, and it's not allowing you to take photos, videos, all that stuff, I'll show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the camera app here. And the first thing that you can do is if you're in the camera app, just close out of it and open it up again. So swipe up and to the right. Let's close out of it and open it again. Sometimes just resetting this by closing it and opening it will fix any kind of issues you have with your camera. Now, if you go in here and let's say you're switching between the front camera and the back camera, and maybe one of those isn't working, the front camera is not working, or it's just all blurry and not able to focus. One of the things you might want to do is make sure that a screen protector or a case isn't causing issues with that specific lens at the very top or the very back here. Basically, you can just clean those out. If you have a screen protector, you can try to remove those and just get a cloth and clean them out. Now, the next thing we'll do is head into your settings here. And then let's tap on General and Software Update. Just see if there's a software update. Sometimes there are bugs or glitches in the iOS operating system that are causing issues with the camera crashing or just not working properly. But if that doesn't fix it, you also want to check permissions. So the permissions for your camera, we can find those by going back and we'll tap on Privacy and Security here. And then scroll down until we find Camera. Right under Bluetooth there, let's tap on Camera. Now on here, if for instance, you're trying to use the camera in a specific app and it's not working in that app, it could be because that feature or that functionality is turned off. So if Instagram is turned off here, I can go into Instagram and try to use the camera, but it won't work because it doesn't have permission to use my camera. So on here, you might want to toggle on everything that you want to use your camera for to see if that fixes your issue. Next, let's go all the way back here. We'll tap on General, and at the very bottom, just hit Shut Down. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and restarting it fixes a lot of issues or bugs on your iPhone, including the camera crashing or not working properly or not focusing, all that stuff. Now, if you go through this entire process and the camera still isn't working, I would recommend taking it into an Apple store, having them plug it in. They'll run some diagnostics and see maybe it's a faulty camera on your iPhone. Maybe the camera needs to be replaced or your entire iPhone needs to be replaced. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.